Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. TV, it's the CAF Champions League, Pyramid 0, Pirates 0. Don't forget to subscribe, become a member. I'm joined by Mr. Cook.
Tibo.
Thoughts, please.
Ushaza kaphumlani. Ushaza kaphumlani mzini. Hayi legendary. Hayi legend phumlani. Ngonyaka kakhulu.
Usiyabona ngicabangise.
Tibo Green.
I'm Nandi.
Ngicela kubingelela ama fans yabona.
Yeah, sure.
Amajita abahlala baview amalo wethu ama video wethu ku YouTube.
Yeah.
Baqhubeka ba subscribe.
Yeah, injalo.
Yeah, bangaphela umoya Tibo.
Yeah.
Ba basfollow ishe ba like. Bangabukeli video one babhoreka babule wonke ama video wethu. So Tibo ngene gaming cela kubongisa both teams.
Yeah.
Kusibezelana ba ownership fixture yabona.
Yeah.
For me both teams played very well, Tibo.
Yeah.
Open game. No. Ayikho team leme ifuna ukudefenda lapha yeah. You know, I think for me coach is very smart, Tibo.
Very.
You know, the formation la esebenzisa namuhla ukuthi nje uyende ngephepho. We had kuthi wendani Tibo.
Yeah, yeah.
Because ngalena for sure utodlala formation thina amajita sifuna ila eMzansi no.
Sijwaye.
Mayenyalo ngiyacabanga uzama kubakhohlisa kancane.
Kahle kahle.
Mnandi.
Yeah, yeah.
Tibo khona into engiyibhalelana Steve no I had to uyana Google something fast Steve.
Yes.
Because last time my friends mengibatshela ngama 6 formation ebangiphizile Steve.
Serious?
Ngiyazwakala ngiphezulu kwabo Steve.
Yeah, dealer now.
So bona Steve ngizobuyela 2008 2009 season ePirates.
Sha.
Jealous Miss Nobani, Miss Senzo, me so rest in peace.
Yeah.
Sno Monip, Sno Benzin, Sno Jealous, Sno Lucky, Sno Roy, Sno Sean and CM. Nkuluma these people bonke, Sean no CM, uJele, uBenzini, Mahamud.
Yeah, Roy.
Yebadlala ama center back.
Yes.
3.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Which is Jose now uyadlala manje. You understand?
Yeah.
Rudy Krole kayidlala. Ngena ubani this guy urulana idlala.
Yeah.
Manje ulo Jose uyadlala.
Sure.
This is the system that Pirates use.
Kahle
3 center backs. You understand?
Yeah.
Coming la middle. Miss no Isaac, Sno Andile, Sno Opa, Sno Uteko, and Sno Mabalan.
Yeah.
You understand? Khuluma ngabo Rile, Banyalo, Monkota Banyalo.
Yeah.
You know, looking at the Maswangai, ucabanga Opa Manyisa, looking at the Rile, ucabanga Teko Mudise, you know. Coming Pambi the Steve, like Pambi Miss no Spelelum team. Sno Katla Mashiri, looking at the Mabasa and Emahop, but today, you understand?
Yeah.
This is the same team that best represent the CAF.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
This Pirates of today is the same team that's gonna represent us. The 3 center back, sizoidlala.
Nada.
Sizoidlala. Sidlale njengoba ngibalela amajita la kusifana nabo bani those days, you know. Sidlala Tito same thing. Tito plays a crucial role to Pirates team.
Key role.
Uyahamba ukoleka amabhola uyasebenza Steve dizile ngathi usipana ngedizile overtime you know.
Yeah.
Anyway maybe we need Dlamini na ukuthi adlale maybe sort of those kind of things kuthi ngabe Tito alimele sikhona ukuthembela ku Dlamini. But second half coming to the game is Steve, I thought maybe ucoach uzofaka uXoki afake maybe Ushandu. Mina maybe I looked for Ushandu ukuthi maybe uzokhona balance at the right side the fan rawena khona ngena inside because yena no Tito ba combine very well.
Sure.
You know, so maybe bazopompa nyana embatha li yabona bazompompa bapompa ulibekile mfukeng because of what Ushandu sesidlala siwile futhi ngal 60 minutes. Either you put the Ushandu or you put the Xoki. Second half that's what I thought maybe coach will do.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Because coming second half also on the Pirates too. License among hole. Misluza amabhola kakhulu license. Yabona. Every time I like the Sapa yenzile yamahop That's why every time some games you need them hope.
Yes.
Where I go change izinto uyazodonsa defense, I run in defense even though I touch the ball. It's good without the ball, good ngeball mahopa. I always say this, you know. Connect on the defense or connect pass the ball achiga kijim, you know. No angaba offside but at least you connect bone movement with guys amugenda no. So I like him mentally, Coach Rivera, and I respect the Coach Rivera and the technical team. Pyramid it was a strong team, you know. Missing a Kumba breaker, I said. Coming to Pyramid side, but make sure to shut that down, it defense. I mean, because in available bonus is Lalipola through Elo immediately. By in the show, because you must center back close to each other. Because the Pirates in a lose. The necessary connect Galama long ball, which is it's not the style play for the Pirates.
Definitely not.
I want to say this for this team. Pyramids, they played very well.
Yes.
This team is very dangerous. This team. It's not going to be easy for us, you know. Mele season al structure sheet to 3 center backs. Si zamenya nakufaka speed maybe in quarters, fake maybe mahopas, fake futhi naye u relay bon. Maswanga is something as team. Maswanga we need him. Like it or not this team. Good is Kono Pumalel. This is the only guy.
Is needed.
Lost something I essent because we want but I get Nandanga injury Makaula na yabona kata because now we overlap us we seven too much.
Yeah.
So now I say to the guys Steve baqhubeka baphakamisa inhloko zabo Steve.
Yeah.
Ba focus siyahamba Steve behind them thina as ama supporters Steve.
Man of the match.
Man of the match in the guy Van Rooyen. Udlale kamnandi Steve.
Danke njaya makok bafethu. Dango